Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Sundial. I got some news about them here today. Talked about them numerous times here on the channel. Again, this is Sundial, ticker SNDL. Here's a look at over the last year. Had that February 10th run-up along with all the other MJ stocks out there. And just been come tumbling down ever since then. Had this low dip in here, which would have been a good buying opportunity. Not that I give tax, legal, or trading advice, just state my opinion. And it's kind of came up here in the last day or two since then, so we'll go over that here in a moment. Down over 17% in the last 3 months, and the last month again down over 17%. In the last week it's actually up over 21%, and there you could have got that dip. And in the last day it's here in the green as well, so we'll see what this one does today. Could be an interesting day for this one. I have 210 shares here at a cost basis of $1.04, so I missed that dip buy and should have bought some, but I was waiting for this one to see where it was going to hit the bottom, and obviously we hit that bottom, but today could be interesting for this one. If you don't know much about this one, feel free to pause and go over that. This is a MJ stock founded in 2006. 111 million shares being traded, so more than average of 75.79. And I've seen it a lot higher than that. I've seen it in the billions at times, so this one's heavily traded. $1.08 billion market cap, a 52-week low of 40 cents, high of $3.96. And here's their next earnings expected on March 7th. So I want to put that one on your calendar. And I haven't bought this one for quite a while. Like I said, I was waiting for it to hit the bottom, and wish now some of these wouldn't even have filled at those prices. So, but moving on over here to Microsoft Bing, currently showing it as a hold. Sundial stock pops ahead of key February 7th deadline for Sundial Growers, and as you can see, this is dated on Friday. So what's going on with Sundial today? Shares of Sundial are up over 9% on the day amid the strong pick in the S&P and the NASDAQ 100. Last year, Sundial was a favorite among Wall Street bets community. Shares of the Canadian MJ suppliers surged as high as $3.96. Driven euphoric investors. However, Sundial has been unable to live up to the hype. Since then, Sundial stock has crashed more than 80% from the 2020 high, or 2021 high. Sundial stock has until February 7th, which is today, to reach $1. Making matters worse, the NASDAQ notified Sundial of the difficult ultimatum last August. Since Sundial's price can't reach $1 by February 7th for 10 consecutive days, then the company will face delisting from the NASDAQ exchange. Sundial was hit with this notice because of the price of Sundial stock had stayed under $1 for 30 consecutive business days from June 25th to August 6th. And today, February 4th, Sundial is currently trading at 50-cent range. February 7th is less than 2 business days away, meaning that Sundial would have to almost double in value before the deadline. Is it too late for Sundial to trade above $1 for 10 consecutive business days before the deadline? That's always the question. So I've done it before, but could do it again, but it's going to take a lot of volume and a lot of running up on this one here today, so definitely going to be one to watch. Furthermore, this isn't the first time that Sundial has been in danger of being delisted. I did a video a while back, a week or two ago, and somebody said they have an extension till August. I haven't yet to find any information on that, so if you have any more information on that or anything in regards to delisting, please leave that in the comments. NASDAQ gave Sundial a similar notice in 2020. Sundial was able to trade above $1 for 2 weeks. Additionally, Sundial consolidated shares last November through a company buyback to avoid delisting. What will happen if Sundial gets delisted? Sundial's management could have chosen to play the loophole game and initiated a reverse stock split. Companies who have been given the 180-day period also may be given for a second 180-day period. So maybe this is what the subscriber meant by putting that in the comments on one of the last videos. So this is February, so if they got another 180 day or 6 months, that would be in August. So we'll see what happens. In the event of delisting, Sundial will most likely trade on the over-the-counter OTC. OTC's stocks aren't traded through an exchange, but instead through a network of dealers and brokers who negotiate with each other. On the date of publication, Eddie Pan did not hold either directly or indirectly any positions in the securities mentioned in this article. So just wanted to throw that out there and see if we can get some comments going on this one and see what's going to happen today, or if they're going to get another 180-day extension. More than likely, I feel that's probably what would happen with this one, but we'll just have to wait and see if we can find any more information. I'll be watching this one today, possibly doing another video on it. We'll just have to see. Order volumes could push Sundial stock above 56 cents this afternoon. That would have been on Friday. So a lot of talk, hype about this one. Sundial is a possible catalyst if all apes slowly realize it. So lots of talk. There's going to be a lot of volume, I feel, with this one here today. Currently at 53 cents. We'll just make sure that is correct. That is interesting. Back here on Reddit, Sundial, the next leader of MJ, 4 months ago. That's what people have been wanting for quite some time, but yet hasn't happened. For long-term investors that believe values in Sundial, a lot of people still have a lot of faith in this company, although the stock hasn't reflected that. So here on StockTwits, currently at 54 cents, low of 40 cents, high of 3.96. Stop loss hunt at open. Be prepared for a morning dip before reversal. I was thinking that myself, but I don't think that dip has happened. If so, that would be a good buying opportunity, and then hopefully it goes up for the rest of the day. So bears are scared. I hope so. 1 billion volume coming. That's what I was thinking as well. I think it was back in March or February whenever it ran up. I remember 2 billion volume on this one. Looks bullish here. And we'll just have to wait and see what this one does for today. Over here on MSN Money, currently showing it as a hold, and here on TipRanks, currently as a hold with a 77% upside to 94 cents, high of 97, low of 90. And that is all that I have on Sundial. Well, speak of it, there's the dip. Not much of a dip, but maybe we'll have another rundown. But definitely one to watch. If you have this one, I would definitely put it on your watch list, set your alerts, whatever you need to do to be prepared for this one, whether you want to buy the dip or just whatever you want to do on this one, or just watch it and sweat. But that's all that I have on Sundial. If you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you'd like to share on this one. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is Jay Money following Ford Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.